Right, today we've got a KMX 125 petrol tank, what's rusty inside and horrible. So we're going to clean it out. And what we're going to use, I will show you in a minute. I've got a tub of bolts with a few ball bearings and a tank of diesel. I'm going to use diesel and nuts and ball bearings, shake it about for 15 to 20 minutes and we'll see what results are. Right, this is all you need. I've got my diesel, got my funnel. I've got a long screwdriver I've taped a magnet to just to get bolts, because some of them you'll get them out but you'll have odd few that you can't get out. I've got a positive screwdriver to remove the petrol tap, and I've just put a black bung of a, I think it's overflow or whatever, return fuel, and I've left petrol cap on. Not removing that because that's a bit mucky, and also kill two birds with one stone and clean them both. So here goes, see what happens. Right, shook it about for 15 to 20 minutes, got all nuts and bolts out, emptied it out, and that's what diesel looks like now. So we've got quite a lot of muck out of there, as you can see. Look at all that that's settled on bottom already. Totally different, even darker, proper rust. Now I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can see inside the tank, but it is a lot cleaner. Look at the petrol cap, even that spotless, looks brand new. Right, so I'm going to rinse it out now with petrol, get a shake about, with a little bit of petrol in it, tip that out, and then hopefully put it all back together. We're ready to roll. Thanks for watching. It's as easy as that. Right, I've just rinsed it out with petrol. First time a lot of muck come out, as you can see what's in there. The second time I put a bit more petrol in and give it a rinse and it will clear. So we're going to fill it up now. We're going to put it back on bike now and fill it with petrol. Right, we've got tank back on bike. I've connected it all up, but what I'm going to do is, because we've cleaned tank out, I'm putting this fuel filter in. The yellow bit goes from tank to carburetor, so I'll show you that fitted in a minute. And that's the fuel filter fitted. So now it's time to rock and roll. Thanks for watching. It's as easy as that.